Ysgol Maes Y Coed is a special school within Neath Talbot. We cater for young people ages 3 to 19, all with a diagnosis of profound or severe learning needs.
Lots of our students don't have much control over what they're able to do, so we really wanted to empower our students to have those choices, so hence the reason the variety of opportunities that we offer, because it is very much an individualised approach. It has to be led from the child.
Expressive arts is a vehicle for our learners to have the opportunity to explore and engage in a whole range of activities. It's something that excites them, it motivates them, it engages them, and it's all developed and delivered to their appropriate age and level and stage.
It's not just about performing music, it's about actually feeling the music. It's about making that emotional connection with the music and also feeling the rhythm and feeling the beats. And that's what our liquid vibrations and our resonance board sessions provide, enabling our learners to access music on a completely different level.
They go out and about in the community. That's really important for them. We get people coming in and visiting us, different musicians, different artists, dancers, drummers, a whole range.
The children love being a part of the choir. They are excited to come. The choir is purely voluntary. So 1 week you might have 12 children there. The next you might have half the school turning up.
Everything we do at Maes Y Coed is geared towards every individual child. That is our strength, that is our passion, and that's what motivates me and I know my staff to come to school every day to make a difference to our young people.
The impact is huge. I've seen learners who haven't been able to speak more than 2 words in a sentence go up through the performance in choir, go up to 6 or 7 word phrases. I've seen learners who haven't been able to perform on stage go into open production of Pride Rock that we did. We can't measure this, we really can't, and yet the progress is visible.
We really believe that there is nothing that's inaccessible, we just need to adapt.
And the activities are fun, and I think once you've got the fun in the learning, you're creating that love of learning.
Via expressive arts, we're able to tap into what motivates them, what excites them, what engages them. And that's for our young people from the profound learning needs right through to severe. And we do it. That is what we do every day, day in, day out. And for me, if we can do it within our special school setting, then it's possible for all children throughout Wales, regardless of what school they go to.